Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a portfolio website on Wix. To get started, you'll need to go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account for completely free. All you'll need is your email address and you can create a password. Once you're finished signing up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And all you'll need to do is tap on create new site in the top right hand corner. After you have selected create new site, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on create on Wix editor. After you have selected create on Wix editor, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you have two options. You can either choose for the AI to create a website for you by tapping on Start Chat, or you can set it up yourself. For this example, I recommend that you tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Set Up Without AI, you are going to be redirected to this page, and from here you can simply type in portfolio, as that is the type of website that you would like to create. So you can select portfolio right here. Then from there you can scroll down and you can see the different type of portfolios, whether it is an art portfolio, game design portfolio, illustrator, a fashion portfolio, or photography portfolio. You have numerous options as you can see right here. So you can select whichever one suits you. After you're finished, you're going to simply tap on next. Then from here you can enter your website name. So I'll simply name this website example. Then you're going to tap on next. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to choose the plugins that you'd want to be added to your website. So you can see that the portfolio plugin will be added, on which you'll be able to showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio. You can also add your Instagram feed. If you like to also add a blog, you can do that. If it is a case that you would like to share, stream, or sell your videos, you could select this option. And also if you plan on doing any selling online, so you can tap on online store right there. Or if you want to offer bookings or events, or if you want to sell a course, you can select any one of these options. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Once on this page, you can select begin with a template right here. After selecting begin with a template, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to choose a theme that suits you. So you can scroll down and you can see there are numerous beautiful professional looking themes that you can choose from, and you can simply scroll along and you can find a theme that will suit you. Once on this page, you can see that there are numerous themes that you can choose from. And one of the standout features when it comes onto Wix is, with these themes, they make it easy for even a complete beginner to create a beautiful looking website. So I normally use one of the best match. So for this example, I'm going to be using this one. So all you'll need to do is tap on edit. After you have selected edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the AI composes your website. Once on this page, you're going to tap on the X in the top right here. And from here, you can tap right where you see 50% in the top right hand corner. And this is how your website looks at the moment. Now, if you would like to edit any section of your website, all you have to do is simply hover over the section. So let's say, for example, you would like to make any changes to this section. You can simply tap on quick edit. After you have selected quick edit, from there, if you would like to change the background image or any text section, you can do that, as you can see right here. So you could change the title. You can also change the photographer right here. And if you would like to change the image, you can do that, as you can see right there. And if you'd like to add something, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on plus, then you'll see all different elements that you can add. So you can add text, images, button, strip, anything at all, video, music, you can add it to your website quite easily. Now to manage the different products that are displayed, all you'll need to do is hover over the products, then you are going to tap on manage products. Once on this page, you can start uploading projects, so you can start creating your portfolio. Now to add projects, all you'll need to do is tap right here where you see add project. After you have done that, you'll now be able to add your project title. So you could add in your title right there. Then you'll tap on next. From here, you could use the AI to generate text if you want, or you could type in your description right there. Then you'll tap on next once more. And from here, you can select the project type, the date, location if you want. Then you'll simply tap on next. Then you'll see upload media from computer, and you could tap right there and you'll be able to add your different projects to create your portfolio website the way that you want it. And you can see the sample projects that they have added right here. Now to remove these sample projects, all you'll need to do, you could simply tap right here to select all of them. After you have done that, you can either hide the selected or you could delete the selected. For this example, you could tap on hide selected, so you'll be able to hide all of the sample projects that they have added. And you can also view collections or create collections by tapping on collections from the left hand menu option. So if I were to tap on collections right here, you can create your first collection by tapping on the plus. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. In this new dashboard, you can add the collection name, description, cover image, or thumbnail image. Then you can scroll down and you can start adding your projects. And another thing that I also like with this platform, by going over to the left hand menu option, from here you could hover over blogs. Then from there you could select posts. So let's select posts real quick, and we're going to tap on leave without saving. After you have done that, you can start creating your first blog. So you can tap right there and you could create your first blog post by tapping on create new post. After you're finished doing that, you'll simply tap on the X. Then you're going to tap on save to save the changes, and that's basically it. Once you have saved your changes, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. But before publishing it, I would normally tap on preview to see how the website looks. So this is how it looks at the moment, as you can see right here. And if I were to tap on one of the sample projects, so let's say for example this one, you can see it right here how it looks. So you can see the client and the credits right there, and by scrolling down you can see it there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.